Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Experian IdentityWorks for identity protection alerts, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Experian IdentityWorks website. Locate the login button on the home page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your email and password are entered, click on the Sign In button. After logging in, navigate to your dashboard. Here you will find an overview of your identity protection alerts. Review any alerts or notifications related to your identity. To customize alert settings, look for the Settings or Notifications option. Adjust your preferences based on your needs. Make sure to save any changes before exiting. If you encounter any issues, find the Help section. Utilize the resources available for troubleshooting. For urgent concerns, consider contacting Experian customer support directly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.